Some time ago, someone asked me if I could do a video, just a quick one, showing how you replace a cartridge into the advanced tape collider gun. I use this all the time for adhering panels and all this kind of stuff to my cards. This has just run out, so I thought now's my chance. So you open the top. This reel on the right is the empty tape after the adhesive is gone. So you have to, this piece just keeps it from sort of bubbling up. So you take that off and then you just lift this completely off. There's a little bit at the beginning here where it is fastened in. Press that little release button and then you throw all of this lot in the bin. Okay, now there are on here arrows showing the direction that the tape has to go. So you put the full reel onto the left hand side, pushing that little sprocket in, and it clicks back out again, a bit like an umbrella catch. And you pop this onto this side. There we go. You heard it click. And I've put it on upside down because I didn't follow the arrows. Here's the arrow. That's the way it goes. What a good job I did it the wrong way. It'd make you think twice, wouldn't it? There are little lugs in there for you to match with some of the holes in the middle of the reel. And that little tab needs to be clicked back over in place. So following it round, you go over that one. And in order to make this reel turn, you have to release the trigger. So press and you can release. So you just, there's an arrow here, follow the arrow, press, an arrow here, follow the arrow around to this side. Now just here you can see, this one will turn independently without pressing that. You can see two slits quite close together. So I put the tape through that and then just turn. Now if I want to pull from this one, I have to do that release until it's just caught on itself. And that's all there is to it. Pop this back on, just fits on, shows you the direction to close it, open and close, and you're ready to go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And I love these. This is the narrow 6mm. Fits in the pink one. If you have a yellow one like this one will need, you can see how long I've had this, it's filthy. You will need an adapter to fit the narrow 6mm tape. This one normally takes a 12mm. So there you go, how to refill an ATG gun. Thanks for watching.